Hi, and welcome to Outdoors and Country Living. I'm Leanne, and today we're going to be talking about making our own extracts, almond and vanilla in particular. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make almond extract first. We're going to need some vodka, and it can be cheap vodka. Don't buy name brand. We're going to be using blanched and slivered almonds. This is what works best for the almond extract. And I'm going to be using a glass 33-ounce bottle with a silicone stopper in the top. We're just going to be adding our almonds to our container. You can use any kind of container that you have. A mason jar will work just fine as well. But you want something with a sealable top so your alcohol doesn't evaporate. So in this bottle, I'm adding about 1 cup of the slivered almonds. You probably don't have to add the full cup. You could try half a cup. And then we're simply going to just pour the vodka in our container over the almonds. This really can't get any easier. It's literally easy as 1, 2, 3. So in goes the vodka. I'm just going to fill it up to the top. And again, buy the cheapest vodka you can find. It doesn't have to be anything special. The alcohol in the vodka extracts the almond flavor from the nuts. Now we're going to be letting this sit for several weeks or months before we use it, so the alcohol has the time to extract all of the flavor from the almonds. This is not something you can make and use right away, unfortunately. And as you use almond extract out of here, you can simply just keep adding more vodka to it and leave the nuts in there. I'm just going to put the top on, and we're just going to give it a little shake. How easy is this? Now we have a big bottle of almond extract in the works instead of buying the little 2-ounce bottles. So easy, we just need almonds, vodka, and a container to put it all in. Literally steps 1, 2, 3. Isn't that pretty cool? Vodka, nuts, container. Put them together, and voila, almond extract in the making. So to make vanilla extract, it's the same process. You're going to need vanilla beans and vodka, or spiced rum. So here's some whole vanilla beans, and I simply cut them in thirds. You can leave them whole, but we like some vanilla beans in our mixture. You can see they're cut into thirds here, and they're just hanging out here in that vodka. I just topped this off a couple of weeks ago, so it's on the lighter side, but still usable. This one I did with spiced rum. But yeah, just cut the beans in thirds or leave them whole, and those beans will last many years. And just keep adding more alcohol on top to keep it full. But that's how you make homemade extracts. So go make yourself some. Take care. We'll see you next time.